Many practitioners never consider transcending samsara. They recite prayers and meditate every day, yet they neither abide in emptiness nor engage in practice with Bodhicitta. Such practice is tainted by conceptual thoughts. For this reason, the practitioner will wander repeatedly in samsara, sometimes happy and sometimes miserable. The Lotus Sutra states, their desires are the cause whereby they fall into the three evil paths, revolving wheel-like through the 6 realms of existence, and undergoing every sort of suffering and pain. This is the nature of samsara, the reason it is called samsara, or the cycle of conditioned existence, birth, and death, is explained in Nagarjuna's precious Garland with the simile of the wheel of a firebrand, which has no beginning, middle, or end. You will understand its cyclicality when studying the 12 links of dependent origination.